so good.
Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kalyssa, and today I'm going to be doing a review slash demo slash play with MAC and Partick Starrr Collaboration Collection. If you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. This is the second collection with Partick Starrr and MAC Cosmetics. That is so exciting. Congratulations, Partick. The packaging is so cute and I love it because it's really different from his first collection. He has two kits, so they're not individual pieces. There are two kits in the collection, and basically what each kit comes with, there's two kits. It comes with an eyeshadow palette that comes with 4 colors. It comes with a full-size lipstick, a full-size lip gloss, and a blush duo. Miso Fleek. So this is what the first thing looks like. This is the Take Me Home Powder Blush Duo. How cute! And it comes like that. The next thing in the Miso Fleek kit is the Play With Me eyeshadow palette. This comes with the shades are In Living Pink, All Rosy, Hickey, and In the Shadows. Is the lipstick and a lip gloss in the Miso Fleek kit. So the lipstick looks like this. Now the second kit is Miso Chic, the blush duo in I'm Not Blushing. And this is how that looks. The next thing is the eyeshadow quad in Stay With Me. So gorgeous. I love the packaging, the components. It's really beautiful. The next two lip products I literally die for. This is the lipstick in Sweet Mama Star. It's an amplified finish. So this is going to be very creamy, but it's going to have full color payoff. Lip gloss is called Mama Star Kiss. Love a gloss with some shimmer in it. I love that. This is a super exciting collection. Let's just get on to the tutorial. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use a lip conditioner because I always like to condition my lips while I'm doing my entire makeup. And my lips feel real dry. Prime my eyes, which is something that I always do. I'm going to be using the MAC 24 Hour Base. So I'm going to bust out a MAC 217 brush and I'm going to go in with the Stay With Me eyeshadow quad, and I'm going to use this light purpley shade right here. It applies normally to the brush. You see how much product is on the brush? This is my better side. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Play With Me palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here just to deepen up my crease. Alright, now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm just going to take my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer 242 brush. In order to cut the crease, which is a really cool look in order for your eyes to look very structured and for you to see more of the lid shadow. That's why a lot of people do it. I'm just going to take this, apply it to my lid right here. See? And then I'm going to look up. And wherever that lands, that's where I'm going to kind of follow my eye. See? And then I'm going to take my finger and then just blend the outside just to make sure that it really transitions well. Now I'm going to take a MAC 221 brush and I'm going to go in with the purple palette again, and I'm actually going to use this deeper purple. Ooh. Okay, pigment. This pigmentation got me shook. Oh! So this one came out kind of weird. I think it's just because I did what I had to do and blend out the, you know, how I have to blend out the concealer. I didn't do that, so that's my fault. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go in with the blue from the Play With Me palette. I'm going to take a clean 242 brush and I'm going to put that shade right here in the middle. And then I'm going to take from the Stay With Me palette this purple shimmery neonish kind of shade. You see, this is exactly why I do not do foundation before, because this always happens to me. Doesn't matter what eyeshadow brand it is, it always happens. Now I'm gonna go in with the Play With Me eyeshadow quad, and I'm gonna take this pinky shade right here. Oh! Thank you so much, Jesus Christ, for this blessing that you have given us today. Amen. You guys are probably like, what the hell is she doing? She looks crazy, but trust me, it's gonna look good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing eyeliner and then I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna take the MAC Mixing Medium and I'm gonna take Iridescent White Glitter and just have fun. I think I'm gonna do like a line right here in the cut crease just for something extra. I'm just gonna put some of that on my MAC palette right here. And then I'm going to add that glitter and I'm going to mix it so that I make like a glitter liner. And I'm going to use a MAC 210 brush. Oh my gosh, that's so dope! Look at how it's picking up the light from the different colors. You see the inside? It looks like orangish with the pink, and then on this side it looks more greenish and gold with the blue and the okay, now to move on to the skin. So first what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to just take the Essential Oils by MAC Cosmetics and use that as my moisturizer. So after that, I'm going to be using my MAC Prep and Prime Base Visage Primer. This helps to smooth out all the pores around the skin. So now I'm going to be taking the MAC Full Coverage Foundation. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to apply my NW20 MAC Prolongwear Concealer. Okay, perfect. So now that the concealer's on, now I'm going to set my under eyes with some powder. Today I'm going to be using the very famous and very good Partick's powder. Alright, cool. So to contour my face, I'm actually going to be using a blush, which is really weird, I know. But this blush by MAC is actually one of their newest mineralized blushes. This is in the shade Humor Me. And I'm going to take my MAC 168 brush. I'm also going to use this to put some color on my nose, not really to contour. I'm going to go in with the highlighter palette, the Hyper Real. It doesn't have the name in the back, but I think this one is called Flash and Awe. This is the MAC 133 brush. And I'm going to put that right on the top of my cheek. Oh, 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 okay, MAC. Okay, you do you, boo, you do you. Okay, MAC, stop slaying my life. Okay, fun. Now we get to go in with the blushes. Ooh, from the collection. This one is from the Miso Fleek collection. This one is the shade Take Me Home. And then we have I'm Not Blushing from the Miso Chic collection. This one's from Miso Fleek. This one's from Miso Chic. Take my same MAC 168 brush. And I'm just going to mix the two together. Oh my gosh. That is some pigmentation right there. Okay, so on the other side, I'm just gonna go with the pink one first. Okay, wow. Whoa-y. Okay, so beware. These are so pigmented, it's crazy. Alright, so after setting my face with the MAC Fix Plus in Yuzu, now we're going to move on to lips, finally! I want some definition on my lips today, so I'm going to be going in first with the Whirl Lip Liner by MAC. The first thing that I'm going to do though is sharpen it, and I'm using the MAC sharpener. I find that this sharpener is the best. Very pretty. I'm going to take the two lip products from the Miso Chic collection. This one is the lipstick in Sweet Mama Star. And then after that, I'm going to take Mama Star Kiss lip gloss and put it right on top. Alright guys, so this is the final look using the Partick Starrr collection. I busted out my flower. Okay. I absolutely love how it came out. Final thoughts on this new collection with MAC and Partick Starrr. I think that these are absolutely awesome. The pigmentation on the eyeshadows was phenomenal. The lipsticks were the lipstick that I used was super pigmented, and their lipsticks are never not pigmented, so they're always amazing. And lip glosses, you can never go wrong with the lip gloss. It does suck that I can't customize. I want that blush with that eyeshadow palette, that lipstick with that lip gloss. But overall, I think that the value of these kits is so amazing. If you really think about it, an eyeshadow quad with 4 colors for MAC, usually they sell it for like $34, just the eyeshadow quad. Each lipstick is now $18.50. Each lip gloss is $18.50, and a blush compact like this easily sells for $29 or $30. So you're getting 4 different pieces for 50 bucks, which I think is an amazing price. Is it approved or not? It is Kalyssa approved. I think that this collection is also really great for like Mother's Day. I know Mother's Day coming up. Mother's Day's coming up, so I definitely will be picking up both of them for my mama because it's an amazing price and it's just super cute. I think that it's a perfect mom gift. If any gift, baby shower, birthday. Basically, Partick came out with a discounted makeup kit just for you. He's like, here, I'm gonna put this in your hands, and all you gotta do is take it. So I took it. So that's all that I have for you guys today. I want to thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Please rate the video. Thumbs up or thumbs down, doesn't really matter. I just want to know what you guys thought about the video. I hope that you guys have a blessed day. Bye.